Discover a world away from any man-made problems. A sanctuary. A dream island. A blue planet gem hidden in the pristine north of Fiji. Nanukulevu means big sand in Fijian. The island is comprised of 100% coral sand. Where sunrise is a great golden awakening, you know that you're in paradise. Nanukulevu Island is situated at the very southern end of the 30-mile-long Hemskeg Reef. The reef is named after Abel Tasman's boat because he was the first to discover Fiji and land here. Nanukulevu Island is situated on 12.5 acres of pure tropical beauty. The overall design plan, consisting of 7 rooms with en-suites and ocean views, 2 double bedrooms and 1 main deluxe bedroom, has been completed. The rooms open up to an expansive wraparound decking, with a designed infinity pool to take in the views. The upper bedroom opens out to the main bure, which is about 4,500 square feet under roof, 100% Vesi native hardwood construction. Not only has the island got a long sand spit, a sand island lies just a short boat trip from Makaloa. The design is incredible. The local woods, Vesi combined with mahogany, and bamboo, which is sustainable as a feature throughout. 18,000 watts of power is generated by 72 solar panels. The main bure is a wonderful evening entertaining area. This incredible island project is ready for a partner or an owner who will appreciate this blue planet gem. Nanukulevu Island, Fiji.